This is Teta's car, man. Call your number plate ndabona atari ngombwa cyane for you to share it, but this is Teta's car. Ushaka kumenya ko this is Teta's car. I can show you gihari ko bayimuguriye ejo bundi yari iriho izina rye.
Yo, good morning, big man.
Is it?
Waramutse ute? Nibwo ubyutse amakuru ntabwo wayamenye. Umva se. Ngo Sandra urumva ngo aragiye afata imodoka ayishyira muri gatanu. Aragenda akugongera umuntu bita Nizo.
No way.
Hamagara. Ndi kuvugana n'abantu b'Ibuganda ngo ntabwo amugonze. Urukumva? Urabona ko n'umuntu kera umuntu yagwaga ngo umuntu atapfa gasubira bakongera akamugonga ubugira kabiri.
Are you serious?
Bro! Aramugonza adapfuye asubiye inyuma aramugonga abagande baramufata Teta Sandra barakubita undi birukankiriza mu bitaro. Umva shusho. Ntabwo hari kuri kara kabari ka Munyonyo nta muntu ufite nimero ye uhaba hari abamugongeye.
Kanze hari umukobwa mpazi nyira ku kabari.
Yego.
Ariko nta nomero yiba mfite ariko nayishaka nkayibona kandi baze umukobwa wantwaye ari ndayifite ndebe niba ari bibone.
Debi nimero nguhaye. Bazu uyu nguyu ni umunyarwandakazi kandi uyu nguyu ni umunyarwanda niwe boss wahariye.
Ninde?
Reka nyigura sangu yifite. Giye ntabwo ari kunyitaba kubera sinaba batari kunyitaba.
Nakavuyo kabiri kenshi buriye mpamvu wana telefone atanga cyo kuyifatisha ntazi umuntu umuhamagara ari.
Ufite nimero ya Nuza ya Fatson.
Yande?
Fatson. Ngo yamuvunnye nyamana. Atangiye kuzana ikigambo koko. Yapa. Big man.
Can you guys hear me?
I can hear you properly. Neza cyane.
Kanyaguhe rero kuko ndayafite yose na OC police station wa Kansa. Sasa ndiye mfite rega nimero direct ya police station ya OC. Ayibita OC no bari mukuru wa police station ya Kabaragara. Sasa rero nkubitana n'uwo mugabo nyiri ukuriye police station yaho ya Kabaragara abampaye nimero ye. So umvuye kumuvugisha rero muri iki gitondo mubwiye ko ndi brother wa Teta rwose arambwiye ati umva fate mwene wanyu karabizi ko ndi umunyarwanda arambwiye ati mwene wanyu ari hano twamufunze Teta yatwaye abana rero nijoro mu kabari abajyanye kwa ngo wizo yamusize nta biryo afite ngo yamusize mu rugo ngo ibintu nk'ibyo so then bagirana misunderstandings nyine koko nk'uko uwo mukobwa yakubwiraga hano. Icyakurikiye nuko yamugonze nyine wizo rero ngo yavunitse ukuguru ngo kwavunitse yamugonze amuvuna ukuguru ibyo kumukubita ntabyo umupolisi ambwiye nagambwiye ko Teta bamukubise ariko nyine bamufunze ubu ngubu bari kuri polisi n'abana be
N'abana barabafunze.
arambwiye ati niba ari mwene wanyu vayo rero murebe uburyo mwakura abana ahangaha mukaba mubajyane n'abana ntacyo polisi ni mu batware
hanyuma we agasigara se
Teta aracyari kuri polisi nyine
baracyamufunze.
iyo ni attempted murder bro.
Teta agiye kujya rusira.
Iyo ni attempted murder because ntabwo wagonga umuntu intentionally no muri parking iyo umugongeye mu muhanda babyita accident ariko iyo umugongeye muri parking that is attempted murder because ugonze umuntu ubishaka
Attention.
icyo nicyo bita attempted murder. Ushaka gutwara ubuzima bw'umuntu ubigambiriye.
Ufite akanya.
Ndagafite tu ndajya mu kazi mu kanya.
Ndabizi ko ari uratwara.
Yes.
Please, can you help us?
Ariko ndashaka kujyayo ndajyayo njye kumureba.
Urajyayo ryari? Are you going now cyangwa nashaka no murakaza kugufataho?
I'm going mu kanya ndajyayo mu kanya. Oya kumfata se aramfata arantwara kabiri. Nitwara kugerayo ndagerayo mu kanya ahubwo reka nitegure gusa mve mu rugo. Ndajya mu kazi no mu kanya n'ubundi but reka ngende nanamurebe numve her side of the story because she's my sister man. Kuko nibyo kuvuga ngo iki she's my sister, she's my blood. menye what is her problem, what happened, and yeah, I see how I can help her. So family is family, but at the same time, sometimes nawe buriya gushaka nabi nabyo ntabwo ari byo.
Ushaka nabi what do you mean?
Gushaka nabi mvuga ndabivugira kuri side ya teta. Bibe n'iki how can I call it, bibe isomo ku bakobwa bose bari hano. Ntabwo abakobwa bakunda fame, bakunda like property material, no, ndavuga loving fame, ukaba ukibagirwa agaciro kawe nk'umugore cyangwa ukibagirwa agaciro kawe nk'umunyarwanda, because byose arimo gukora at some point biraba reflected kuri twebwe. Aza kuvuga ko barabyitirira abanyarwanda, nubyumvise se uwo mukobwa w'umugandekazi ibyo yaratangiye. Ndumva aho umugabo wese yaba ari w'umunyarwanda, aho umukobwa wese yaba ari cyangwa umugore wese yaba ari, bagenzi tugerageze kwiyubaha. At some point iyo ubonye ikintu babaca umugani kera niba mu Rwanda bavuga ngo yamaza kubwira ngo winkaraba nawe yabwira ngo nta mbyiro ufite.
Yego,
you understand? Tugerageze kwihesha icyubahiro, tugerageze kwihesha icyubahiro aho turi hose. Umuntu iyo kubonye ukereka dusa bitandukanye. I don't know if people here understand it. Uzi ko uhagarara mu bantu igihumbi bakakureba bakagutunga mu rutoki bavuga ati ubu ni umunyarwanda. Mwari mubizi nabyo?
ibyo Sandra
mu bantu igihumbi, mu moko igihumbi, mu bazungu, mu ba Eritrea, mu baki, umuntu akagucisha mu rutoki akavuga ati wowe uri umunyarwanda.
So bitwaye iki? So
that means that means suvango bitwaye iki? That means we are special. I could call it like that.
Okay, so tugareka tuyariro ahangara, let's go slowly.
So
here's the thing. Sandra according cyangwa wenda nk'abantu wowe ntabwo wowe case ya Sandra urayizi kuva mbere kuvitangiye kugeza uyu munsi, sibyo? Ntabwo turi buze gushyiraho comment. Sandra akubitwa bakamubaga bakamugira inyama wari uhari. Nuko Daniel umugore wa Kamiliyoni ndi kumubura kuri telefone, ntabwo ari online, ntabwo ari ubwa mbere Sandra asanze nizo ku kabari, niba ubyibuka. Na case ya mbere yamusanze ku kabari bahora barwana. Turi kumwe ibi ngibi mwaravuze ngo ni ibyingo, ariko reka babwire ikintu kimwe, u Rwanda rwo ruzaba ruhombye. Uyu muntu nagwa i Bugande, u Rwanda ruzaba ruhombye. Ngo dufatana koze ibyo twagombaga gukora, twarasuniitse kugeza Rwanda ye itwemereye indege Sandra ava i Bugande. Twaje hano kuri space turavuga kugeza Muhozi Kayine Rugaba, we wenyine ari we ugiye mu kibazo cyane cyabari abantu uramwana araboneka bari bamwimanye. Uramuwibuka Kamiliyoni amushyira mu makeup bakamutwara mu kabari. Twahamagara abantu muri ambassade, Machari yaje hano, mucake nimero ya Machari urayifite, tubishyira muri president wa diaspora muri Uganda. Ikibazo cy'uyu umukobwa tumunye ageze i Kigali, turavuga ati ageze i Kigali nyuma y'iminsi ngahe Sandra asubiye i Bugande, none agiye kuborera Ruzira niba yamugonze biri hatamze nk'uko kubitubwira, bivuze ngo baramuzirika.
Yes, wenda ikiza cyinaha wenda ni ibintu bibiri. Hano ruswa irakora, icyo ni kimwe. Icya kabiri umugabo we nava akavuga ati mumurekure, baramurekura. Wenda those two, ibyo nibyo bintu bibiri. Ubu umuntu wahamukura ni Wizo, icyo ni kimwe, cyangwa umuryango wa Wizo, cyangwa se kuba wenda yatanga amafaranga bakamurekura. That is another thing. Ariko kubwo yatanga byo Wizo, kuko Wizo ntago ari umuntu wapfa kuva muri polisi. Ubu ngubu ntabwo teta nubwo yaba afite amafaranga angana iki ntabwo bapfa kumurekura, because by the end of the day Wizo is something, is a public figure. Abantu baramuzi, uriya Mayanja family ntabwo ari family wakiniraho. So ubu igihari nuko wenda nugusenga gusa Wizo nyine akaba yavuga ati umugore wanjye ni mumureke. This is domestic violence, ni ibintu dusanga ngo ni mutureke turabyisoti. Ariko reka nze ngeyo urebe, it's been a while ndanamubona rwose muri iyi minsi na busy. Ariko let me come ngeyo ndaza kukubwira n'ubundi I'll take
uwo bita Shararanyarigiye. Umva hano ukuntu uyu muntu ambwiye Shani nyiri kabari. Listen here. Ngo yamugonze intentionally, ariko nkumva ntabashaka kugira ari kwandika. Aranyandikiye ngo this is Shan, urukumva, owner of Shan is back, urukumva, Weasel wife Sandra knocked him intentionally. She's arrested. Weasel is in the hospital.
Even saha amaze kunkonfamingira arambwira ngo niko kuri yamuretede abana mu bara
Yamuletede ani no nyiri kabari
omukazi yarese abana mu bara nibatandika kurwana ate bwe yakyusiza ebbara n'amutomera
agiye umani babarira wakabyara we utugerere kuri ntuza utugerere kuri station ya polisi tumenye amakuru nyakuri ko nuhagera tuba dufite amakuru yo kurande rwa teta.
Yes, I will let you know. Reka ahubwo nitegure ngende sho ndaza kongera ngaruke aho tuzi.
Thank you so much.
Ashyira amakuru y'ukuri nibyo kandi yabipostinze 4 hours ago. Tureba avuze ko Shinga Weasel is feared to have broken both legs and is hospitalized in Zambia hospital. Allegedly, his wife Teta Sandra intentionally knocked him down somewhere in Munyonyo.
Ahangaha muri kumva rero ngibi akiziritse ku muhoro kasiga kawuciye yamuhitanye yamugonze nkamuvuna amaguru.
Uwatari w'umunyarwandakazi wa mbere ugonze umugabo hano i Bugande. Hari n'undi wamugonze we bamuhaye lifetime prison. Nagazapfa avuye mu mugore mwinshi utagira ukwazi. Nawe yagonze umugabo we bapfa ibintu nk'ibyo byo mu mabara.
Umugabo arapfa
ahita apfiraho kandi n'umwana w'umukire byatari uyu mugabo wahoze ari perezida w'abanyarwanda mu Bugande umusaza w'inzobe muremure umuhungu we.
Okay. Kurwana muri uko kurwana mwakajya mu modoka baravuga ko Sandra yinjiye mu modoka
we ndashaka kwivumbura nko kugenda
uretse gato aramugonga aramuhusha asubira inyuma aramugonga amuvuna amaguru.
Intentional. Oh sorry. Is that
Kubushake.
Yes.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Morning.
Yeah, going by the name Godfather. I'm a blogger from Rwanda, from Kigali. We need to ask about Sandra Teta. Amakuru yabyutse muri iki gitondo abyutse ari igikuba ko tugerageje gufata amakuru ariko ndavuga ko ndatekereza ko you need to do what? We need to know about Sandra. Ibyo batubwira bya Sandra ko yagonze umugabo we ayo makuru bayamenye bayatubwiraho.
Who is Sandra?
Sandra Teta, the Weasel, is it Weasel Manizo wife?
What's the problem?
They say the last night at the midnight, yamugonze n'imodoka aramugonga cyane ku buryo nizo ari mu bitaro epwi Sandra afungiwe in Zambia.
Who knocked Sandra?
Yes.
Sandra, who knocked
Sandra knocked his husband. Her husband, sorry. Then Sandra nebamutwara nizo nebamutwara mu rwariro. Then Sandra, she's in prison ari mu police Zambia. Yes. Then here in Rwanda we have no more information apart of that. We try to contact the people, even we contacted the OC to Zambia police, and he was confirmed. And I tried to contact the owner of the bar called the Shan, and I can send you the number. Then the Shan confirm. Here I have the message. Say yes, this is Shan, the owner of Shan Bar. Weasel wife Sandra knocked him intentionally. Then
what do you want me to do?
We wanna know more information.
My brother, for me, my area of concern is not people who fight in the bars. Let them kill themselves. Okay? You've heard?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I spoke to one official at the Rwanda High Commission like 2 years ago regarding the relationship of Weasel and that young girl.
Yes, sir.
Because I hear they were fighting every day.
Yes.
So if they knocked themselves, one is in prison, one is in a hospital. Oh my God! Why would even Gashuba get involved in the bar fights?
Sir, you are not involved. Like you are the one. Like I say, maybe he's the person.
No. My brother, it's even news to me.
Okay.
It's news to me. You cannot take a drug and you want innocent people like Gashumba to get involved. You get it?
So we need your help, Yariko.
There is nothing good in alcohol. You can even record me. There is nothing good in alcohol. If Teta or Weasel was involved in a normal accident, we can go in and help. You get it?
Yes, sir.
But you cannot drink yourself silly and you wake up people at 3 a.m. Remember?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Stay well.
Thank you so much.
If one dies, we shall pray for him.
Huh?
Hey.
So, the last time when you were talking to that person, you told me I'm the one who was like trying to do the advocacy to bring her back home in Rwanda,
Yes.
and that
Yes.
I was successful. I do it on Twitter because I am the host on Twitter on X Spaces, and I was trying my best until we get the ticket from Rwanda. Then she was going back in Rwanda. In a few days, we see Sandra Teta. She's back in Uganda. So now I'm confused. I said, okay, what is going on? Is she okay? Is her husband? It's okay. So that's why I'm sorry for disturbing you, but I say you are our brother from on that side.
I agree. 100%. We are brothers.
Yes.
But what do we do to mad people? We take them to mental centers.
Oh my God.
Yes. What do we do? What do we do? Now, if Weasel dies, they're going to charge her with the murder. Simple. She goes to prison and she serves a jail sentence. Because they don't listen. What do we do? What do we do to people who don't listen?
So did you like as your father? Did you try like I mean in a few days like did you try to talk to those young people? Did you try to talk to them because trying to?
First of all, Weasel is not younger. Weasel I think he's like 40 years. He's not young. You get it?
But
he's not young.
But Sandra, she's younger.
She's younger, but she decided to get herself into drugs, alcohol, and the rest, and I hear stupid love.
True.
If she spends some time in jail, what will get her off her mind? Then she realizes that we did our best. What do we do? What do we do if people don't listen to us? Tell me, what do we do? There's no prison where I can jail them.
True.
If she knocked him and the Weasel dies, they are going to charge her with murder. Then she serves a jail sentence in Uganda.
Yeah.
You remember that young girl in Rwanda, this former Miss Rwanda house was driving recklessly?
Yeah, I remember. I remember. The Miss Rwanda.
And she was arrested. You think does she still drive under the influence of alcohol?
She have become Moroccan.
We need more of them.
We need more of them.
Amazing, gorgeous young girl. I hear the president said that they had arrested her countless times and they would caution her.
Oh my God.
Then the president said, enough is enough.
Yeah.
If I have any news, I'll keep you posted.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
All right.